Hey guys, it's Drew here. Welcome to another episode of Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. And we're trying a GoPro headband out today to show you my point of view while I'm working. So today we're going to talk about how to change your tire pretty quick and pretty fast and pretty safe, and what tools to use. So right here we've got a Ryobi 3-speed. It's a I don't even know what it's called, okay guys, but you can get this with either Ryobi, you can get it with Milwaukee. They all come, there's a DeWalt, they all come from the same factory, roughly, in my opinion. And you know, so this was, I think, $100 to $150. I think it was $150, and it's worth every penny, guys. So if you're changing a tire, all you gotta do is find the right lug nut. Now you do have to use torque lug nuts, or whatever these are right here. So you have to forgive me if my sizing is off here, guys, or angles. I don't know. I'm not quite used to this headband yet. But anyway, these are torque lug nuts. You have to find the right size. So we found the right size here. Goes right in there. And I'm going to show you how fast these comes off. You put this into reverse mode. Plug it in here. And we got our jack over there. We're ready to go. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so they've loosened up a little bit. We got to keep going here. There it is. One's out. There it is. They are slipping a little, but this is the right size. So got it right there. There we go. Make sure you don't lose these bolts. Okay. Let me tell you guys, if you're on the side of the road, this is a lot easier than doing this with a regular jack. These tires have been on. These have been on here. There it goes. So okay, they came out. These have been on here a while. They're probably a little rusted. So obviously you got to get that off first. I've made that mistake before when changing a tire, of listening to lug nuts after. So we got our jack all set up here. You go ahead and pump this up. You can see that tire's in pretty rough shape too. And guys, I'm doing this with my socks on. Definitely don't want my feet anywhere near the bottom of this car. I have no protection here. Okay, wow, that came right off. You can see this one is down to the steel belted radial here. Let's get it up a little bit. It's easier to... There she blows, came right off. Oh, look at that, wow. This was just sitting here. I think an animal chewed through this. I have had a mouse living in here, but I mean, that sucker just blew up. I'm gonna take it up a little higher. This car's been sitting here since Hurricane Florence, about 4 years. Put it up high so it wouldn't flood in the storm. Okay, we're gonna roll that over there. So anyway, again, you don't have to buy a Ryobi version of this, but you can buy a Milwaukee or anything like that. I think it's called a battery operated torque wrench, yeah. And you want to get the more expensive version that has a little more power, and it's worth every penny. You can keep this in your trunk. About every 3 months, you're going to want to charge that battery. You don't want to come to use this and find out the battery has gone dead. So you want to keep the battery charged up. All right. So we're going to roll. Irony about Mercedes, not irony, but their spare tires are full-size tires. And some Mercedes, this is a 1992 300D, have this exact model tire. Yeah, anyway, so other than the style of tire, you'd never know that this one is not on here. Now, I've not changed a Mercedes tire necessarily before, and this jack has nothing under it to secure it. So I'm gonna, again, keep my distance here. I'm gonna get this sucker on. Okay. The whole point of the video, guys, is to show you how to use that jack, not to not how to put a tire on a Mercedes. So I'll probably edit this and show you when it's back on. Okay, so we're gonna get these lug nuts lined back up here. That's in the proper holes. Oh, let's see where they are. Right. This is always the fun part, guys. Imagine doing this on the side of the road. Yeah, that would suck. So, but at least I got the worst part out of the way, which is getting these torque bolts out. There it is. So that one's in there. Got them lined up. Okay, now that we got them lined up, I'm going to put the drill from reverse to forward. What was in forward? Yep, so that was in reverse. Now it's in forward. Okay. Just gonna tighten these suckers on here a little bit just to hold it in there. Not going to, there we go. Two more. And if you're on the road, you really do want to you want to actually use torque on these. This thing does not have a torque. So the jack that comes with your car, you can probably tighten them with that. Because this is not really going to tighten them fully. Oops, got stuck there. But guys, this is a great way to save you from having to sit there with that jack. Now, of course, this thing is nice keeping your trunk too, although it's pretty heavy. So, we're gonna torque that. That may not actually be the exact size. As you can see, these are all right, but it seems to be on there. It's on there. Now I'm just gonna roll this car into the yard over there to get it off this concrete. So it's not gonna be on the road or anything. It's not like I'm worried about the wheel falling off. All right, so there you have it, guys. Now I'm gonna let the jack down carefully. Okay, stand back here, turn this little thing here. Hey, there she blows. And there you have it, guys. I just changed the tire on my car using a Ryobi, or, you know, like I said, Ryobi doesn't support me, guys. They don't sponsor me at all. You could use Milwaukee, any brand you want, DeWalt. They all sell these. Ryobi's available at Home Depot. I think Milwaukee and DeWalt may be at Lowe's. This is a great product, and you know, like I said, hey, if there's any representatives out there from Ryobi, I would like to work with Ryobi. I do collect Ryobi battery items, and I use them quite often. Once you get a favorite brand, if you find something on sale, you know, always around Thanksgiving coming up, Ryobi's are always on sale. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is Drew. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if this helped you out. And I'm trying out my GoPro today, so we'll see if the video footage turned out decent. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys soon. This is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Haxes.